Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Arduino IDE software and how to upload your first sketch to the Arduino Uno board. So let's get started. First, let's go to the Arduino website on arduino.cc. This is what the Arduino website looks like as of the day of recording. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the footer section and let's open the software. In the software page here you can find different versions of Arduino IDE that you can download. It could be the Windows, Linux or Mac version. For me it's a Mac device, so I'm going to select the Mac version and download it. The download gets started and we can check its progress here. Once the file is downloaded, we open the file, we copy the Arduino software to the applications directory. Once the file is copied, then we can go to the navigation section, write Arduino IDE and open the Arduino IDE. This is what the IDE looks like when you open it for the first time. This is the sketchbook icon. It shows all the sketches that you have saved previously. Here is the board manager. Here you can install or uninstall all boards other than the Arduino. This is the library manager. Here you can install or uninstall the external libraries. This is the debug icon and this is the search icon. Let's go to File, Examples and load the Blink example. Here you can select the correct Arduino board for your project. Currently, no Arduino is connected, so it is not showing any option. Let's connect our Arduino to the laptop using a USB-B cable. The Arduino Uno is now being detected by the Arduino IDE. We can upload our code by pressing the upload button here. And voila! You've just programmed your very first Arduino Uno. That's how simple it is to get started with the Arduino. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more projects, and I'll see you in the next one.